guys, it's Katie and I am so excited to announce our 2018 Spring Slim Down Challenge. Woohoo! This year we're partnering with Fabletics to bring you 4 weeks of amazing workouts, delicious healthy recipes, and tons of motivation. We know everything's better with friends, so I have 2 of my besties joining me for this challenge, and I want you to invite your girlfriends to join you as well. Plus, you're gonna have the entire LSF community there to support you, encourage you, and cheer you on along the way. As if it couldn't get any better, there is a major grand prize, and part of it is a $500 shopping spree to Fabletics. You guys can get cute outfits like these ones to keep you staying fit and adorable all spring long. I want you to get ready to have your best summer yet, and right now is the time to do it. So commit to yourself, invite your girlfriends, and join Team LSF for the Spring Slim Down Challenge.
I don't lose my patience. I don't keep you waiting always. I don't make you crazy. 'Cause I'm looking amazing. Yeah, and you know, yeah.